This is Ken from YOUSU. Here let me introduce our 8K 10 inches 3D jewelry printer. First, remove the plastic shelf. On the former, this is a display screen and we can touch and control the printer. And this is the resin vat. We also have to fixing screws here. On the bottom, there is a piece of paper. When we receive the printer and check the printer, if there is no obvious damage from the outside, here we don't need to level. And then we can show the right side bottoms for you. This is the USB adapter. We can load the model we want to print. In the middle, it's a net cable adapter. This is used for connecting the internet. Here we can see a cool fan of the printer. The last one is power switch. Next, we can show you the back side. This is power input port. Let me show you how to connect them. On the last side, we can see another cool fan. After connect the power, turn on the power switch, we can see how it works. And we need to take out the paper. Before that, we need to loose the two fixing screws, and lift the resin vat, and take out the paper. Also, don't forget to peel off the protect film before start printing. After that, fix the vat back with the screws, and then fix the platform with the bigger screw. Make sure it is fixed well. When all these finished, we can learn the UI menu. Part 1 Tools. It including Z-axis control, exposure test, set Z to 0, as well as clean vat functions. Part 2 System. It includes set the language and the internet address. Part 3 Print. When we insert the USB disk, we can choose to print the model we want. After that, read to install the slicer. Download the software with the free link. Open slicer and add printer after installation. In the end, we can insert the USB disk on the printer and begin to print. Let's enjoy the printing process. Insert the USB disk. Pour resin and make sure at least 200 grams each time in the vat. After a while, the test models are finished. You can try it.